how to fix or enable missing Windows Copilot in Windows 11. So in order to fix this problem, let's first open up the registry editor, go to Windows and type registry editor and run as administrator. From there, expand HK current user, go to software, open up Microsoft. From here, search for Windows, go to current version, here search for Explorer, go to advanced and right click on the blank space and tap on new and add new D word 32-bit value and rename it to So Copilot button. Double click on the registry and change the value to 1 and click on OK, and from here restart your computer and you should be able to fix your problem. But if this does not help, just go to Windows again and open up your settings, open up personalization, open up taskbar, and from here make sure the Copilot preview is turned on and you should be able to fix your problem. So these are some of the fixes for enabling the missing Windows Copilot in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and not forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.